Now, if you've been publishing low content books on Amazon KDP, you probably know the struggle. Most of us just hit publish and then wait, hoping for reviews to eventually trickle in. But here's the truth, reviews matter. They help your book rank, they build trust with customers, and they can make the difference between a book that just sits on Amazon and one that actually sells. That's why in today's video, I'm gonna show you an easy, effective, and compliant method to get reviews for your KDP books in 2025 and beyond, including low content books. And that's all thanks to a platform called Bookblaze. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. That being said, let's get right to it. So let's start with how Bookblaze actually works. And it's pretty simple. You review other books, and in return, you earn credits called coins. Then you use those coins to get reviews for your own book or audiobook. And the best part is that their algorithm prevents direct swaps, which means everything stays fully compliant with Amazon's terms of service. Now, this platform isn't brand new. In fact, it's almost 2 years old, with over 1,500 active users, and since launch, Bookblaze has facilitated more than 100,000 book reviews and over 20,000 audiobook reviews. Now let me walk you through why Bookblaze stands out compared to every other option out there. First, quality control. Bookblaze lets you vet reviewers before they ever touch your book. Readers who are interested fill out a short request to review questionnaire so you can see what genres they like and if they're a genuine fit. Now, sure, this can take a little bit longer than letting anyone pick up your book, but think about the trade-off. Instead of a generic review, you get authentic feedback from someone who actually cares about your content. Now let's talk about low content publishing, which is where many of us live. Verified reviews for low content titles are incredibly hard to get, but Bookblaze has a solution. If your paperback is priced at $10 or less, reviewers can actually buy your book, leave a verified purchase review, and that review shows up directly on your listing. And if you're running Amazon ads, those verified reviews can even transfer to other marketplaces, giving your book credibility internationally. And if you prefer, you can also get standard reviews. Reviewers will download the PDF of your book and submit their review on Amazon. Either way, you have a clear path to building social proof. Another huge benefit is their all-in-one dashboard. Instead of bouncing between multiple platforms, you can manage both book and audiobook reviews in one clean interface. But maybe my favorite part, video reviews. These are actual videos of readers holding your book, flipping through the pages and talking about the quality of the cover and the binding. Amazon often promotes these video reviews higher in the feed, and potential buyers see them as more authentic. It's one of the best ways to instantly build trust with customers. And Bookblaze doesn't just stop at Amazon. They're also the first platform that I've seen that allows reviews across other major retailers like Apple Books, Goodreads, Barnes & Noble, and Kobo. This is a huge opportunity if you publish wide with Ingram Spark, because now you're not relying on Amazon alone. You can build credibility across multiple storefronts. Even better, you can choose which marketplace reviews are posted to, which is great for books in other languages or really niche books that sell well in a particular language. For example, the German marketplace or Italian marketplace. Well, now you can send reviews directly to the marketplace of your choice. That kind of targeting is something most authors don't even know exists. And finally, for audiobook publishers, Bookblaze currently supports ACX exclusive titles, but they're already expanding to support Spotify codes, Authors Republic, and more. When you add all of this up, vetted readers, verified purchase reviews for low content books, video reviews, reviews on other platforms, and international targeting, it's clear why Bookblaze is the most complete review platform out there today. Now, if we scroll down, you're going to see that they offer both monthly and annual plans. So with Bookblaze, they give you 4 plans right here you can choose from. It starts out with the starter plan, $4.99 per month. And with this plan, you can read and review books in their library. You can listen to and review audiobooks, and you can earn coins for every book and audiobook you review and use them when you move to one of their other plans. The things that it doesn't allow you to do is you can't upload your own books, your own audiobooks. You can't request reviews for books, and you can't request reviews for audiobooks. So that's why you want to jump to the next one right here, unlimited audiobooks or unlimited books. Now with audiobooks, that's exactly what it is, $19.99 per month. You can upload an unlimited number of audiobooks. You can distribute all of your ACX codes and get your audiobooks reviewed. They give you a 2,000 coins bonus when you sign up, 24/7 customer support, and you can cancel at any time. Now with the unlimited books, which is $5 more, this is specifically if you're doing stuff like low content books. You can now upload an unlimited number of books, get an unlimited number of book reviews, also a 2,000 coin bonus when you sign up. And on top of KDP, you can get reviews posted to Apple Books, Goodreads, Barnes & Noble, as well as Kobo. And for just $5 more, you can go ahead and grab both the unlimited books and audiobooks together. They also have yearly plans right here that can save you some money if you sign up per year. Now, keep in mind, any one of these plans that you choose comes with a 14-day trial. So for example, if I choose unlimited books and audiobooks, you can see right here, free for 14 days and then $29.99 per month. So if you go ahead and decide that it's not for you, if you cancel within 14 days, you're not going to be billed the $29.99 per month. And what I like here is the flexibility. If you're just starting out and you haven't published yet, you can grab their starter plan. That lets you sign up early, build up coins, and be ready with reviewers the day your book launches. Or if your book is already live, you can purchase one of the book or audiobook plans and immediately start requesting reviews. Basically, no matter where you're at in your publishing journey, whether you're brand new or already established, there's a plan that fits for you. So if you've been stuck waiting for reviews to come in naturally, Bookblaze is the easiest and most effective way to change that. Especially for low content publishers, this is a real opportunity to finally get reviews that help your books rank and sell. You can try Bookblaze right now completely risk-free with a 14-day free trial using the link in the description. And of course, every publishing journey is different. I can't guarantee how many reviews or how much income you'll generate, but I can tell you this: reviews matter, and this platform finally makes getting them simple and accessible. So check out the link below, take advantage of that free trial, and see what Bookblaze can do for your books. If this video helped you see what's possible, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.